So this is actually our first oil change. The car just hit, I think it's like at 600 miles now. Let me see. No, this one actually doesn't show you. But we're at like 650 miles or almost 700, I think.
It's like Dominator coolant boost. The more, if you run 100% distilled water, you can go up to 25 degrees cooler. Wear protection also on your water pump fins. Less corrosion in your radiator. Right, here's the engine flush. Since you've been running the stock oil from the dealership, which has minerals in it, it's going to be switching over to the AMSO, which is 100% synthetic. Normal highway driving, 25,000 mile racing, about 15 to 20, depending on how much you're driving racing. Still, this is going to melt all the minerals out. The carbon deposits been building up. But he's changing it early because he doesn't want any carbon deposits to build up. So we're just doing this for great insurance to get all of that. We're going to run that stuff in there for 15 minutes, let it melt all the carbon deposits if there was any with running that oil out here in Vegas. We're changing it pretty early, so you're pretty safe. Probably no deposits, we'll get whatever else is in there completely out, and that's good insurance. That way the motor's going to last longer.
Oh, yeah.
Nice ass motor.
So right now we're running the engine flush, like he said. Gonna give it some time. Oil's going in.
You want to see how good these pour? Never spill with this one.